Slowly, I started getting work with one word here, one line there, to, voice acting, which voice acting is a very compressed form of acting. It's not really a big, larger than life, form like theater. That's where the client, trusts you with that. So yes, very challenging, but at the same time, very fulfilling, because, every time you do a session and, it goes well, you know that you've done something good, and then you know that, okay, fine, this is what the client didn't like, so okay, I got to improve on this, and this is the kind of feedback I got, because I always used to ask them for feedback.
Powered by voicesbazaar.com, India's premium audio agency.